My name's Christopher Bird. I'm one of the global design directors of Ford Motor Company. Very glad to be here in Norway and talking about the new Edge. Please see first the front of the Edge. This new design is really showing our latest thinking in design with this very large and expressive new front grille with the 3 bars in gloss black. Also the way that the grille is now flowing directly into the lamp. So when you stand back and it's like one complete graphic shape. Very strong and proud bonnet. This is part of what an SUV is about. This strong, powerful bonnet or hood is a very strong part of our new Edge SUV design. On the side of the car, as you walk around, please note how the lamps really wrap around the car, making the lamps look very wide and also making an emphasis on the size of the wheels. The way the car sits on the ground is very important for an SUV. A lot of what we say in design, sculpture, form in the body. This isn't just a functional product, it's also a product which should show emotion and speed and dynamic. This is why we have these really sculptural shapes on the upper body, but also in the lower body as well. These are very important protection elements in matte black, stopping stones and other elements when you're driving the car on dusty, rough roads. And lastly, on the rear, very similar to the front of the car, quite compact. Deliberately we take the rear lamps as far around the corner as possible, making the car look very short and compact with emphasis on the wheels, like on the front, very strong for an SUV to have strong size wheels. And lastly, the back, very wide, simple design. Lamps are very high for protection from stones, but also a lot of form and interesting shapes here, which give the rear of the car a strong, sporty, dynamic feel, even though the loading area is really quite low for functionality. So altogether, this is the new Edge design, our latest SUV from Ford.